When we were seminarians, Bishop Gabi Reyes, one of the former bishops of Antipolo, Bishop of Antipolo, once left these words to us. If you wish to succeed in your formation, then do these 5 wells. Eat well, sleep well, study well, play well, and pray well. 5 mga salitang napakadaling tandaan at mukhang sa awa ng Diyos naging effective po para sa akin dahil narito ako sa harapan ninyo ngayong umaga. Indeed, my dear brothers and sisters, to do things well will lead us to our own success and even to see how gifted and valuable we are. We've heard the story of these sisters, Martha and Mary. Mary, as we have heard, sat down and listened to Jesus while he was speaking. On the one end, here is Martha, as what was said, burdened with much serving. Nagreklamo siya kay Jesus na habang siya ay busy, ito namang kapatid niya ay paisi-isi na lamang. But Jesus told Martha, "You are anxious and worried about many things. Mary, your sister, has chosen the better part, and it shall not be taken from her." As if Jesus was not only telling Mary, but also the both of them, Mary is listening to me, then listen well. You chose to serve us and gave what is best to us, then do it well. If you wish to achieve and be successful in life, do what you do extraordinarily well. Gawing mabuti at mainam anuman ang mga ipinagkatiwala sa atin. We might be looking at others' achievements or responsibilities. Buti pa siya, ito ang pinagawa sa kanya. Buti pa siya, mataas ang sweldo. Buti pa siya, ito ang posisyon niya. Ako, ito lang. Siya pa isi-isi lang. Ako, ngarag na garag. Trabaho ng trabaho. Lawit na ang dila. Pawis na pawis na. Bakit siya ganto? Bakit siya ganyan? Ako ganto lang. My dear friends, if we are always looking at others' achievements and what others are doing, we might not be that appreciative and conscious of what was handed on to us. Responsibilities and things given to us. Know that even in little things, you are also asked to do it well. Or shall we say, we might be that blinded that we also have good things in our lives. Maybe we are not just proud of it. But the Lord is reminding us, do things well. Do what you love with love. Others may have big talents. We might have some little ones to achieve. But then be proud of it. Do it well. Do it well. Do it with love. And we are sure that everyone will be happy and blessed with the things we do well and with love.